Yes, sir. Black prisoner in my custody. Okay, sir. You know, sir, he is very clever man. Don't worry, sir. He cannot make me foolish. The black man is very sharp. Don't worry, sir. Okay, sir.
Bonk.
Oh no! Okay, sir. We are coming. Let's go, prisoner. Hey, you! Stop! Hey!